Welcome to MassalaFlavors, your one-stop channel for authentic Goan, Mangalorean and Maharashtrian recipes. Today's recipes is Kurdai Bhaji. Ingredients: 4 kurdai, that is dried wheat flour noodles cakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 7-8 curry leaves, 3-4 finely chopped green chilies, 1/4 of a teaspoon hing, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons oil, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 of a teaspoon sugar, 1 finely chopped onion. Cover and soak kurdai for about 30 minutes and drain the water. Heat up oil in a pan. Now add mustard seeds and let them pop up. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Now add hing, green chilies and curry leaves. Add onion and fry onion until it gets light golden brown in color. Add turmeric powder, salt to taste and sugar and mix well. Add soaked and drained kurdai. Now add chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Cover and steam on a low to medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Kurdai Bhaji is now ready to serve with chapati, bhakri, or rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more mouth-watering recipes.